one of the most asked for recipes since I've started the channel. Not kidding, for all these years. One request I've had so many times has been the recipe for garam masala. And I have said in the past that I particularly don't always make my own garam masala at home, and the reason why is that I get sent garam masala from my mum. Whenever she comes visits from India, she brings me a nice big bottle because she makes her own garam masala. Now that I have got her visiting me, I thought that's the one recipe I must film with her. So here is the garam masala recipe. But before that, can you please go and subscribe to the channel, and it'll be really nice if you can share it with your friends, and do leave us your comments. It's really nice to hear from you guys. So you've got basic spices. Do we roast them or?
नहीं, हम इसको रोस्ट नहीं करेंगे. इंडिया में तो बहुत गर्म होता है, धूप बहुत तेज होती है, वहाँ पर हम लोग इसको सुखा लेते हैं. और यहाँ पर ठंडा है इसलिए कोई ज़रूरत नहीं सुखाने की. सुखाने में थोड़ा धूप में सुखाने में ज़रा आसानी से ये पिस जाते हैं.
Okay, so she's saying to basically dry them in the sun if you have sunshine, but in the UK that's not happening. So basically just dry them in the sun, but they are dry spices, so they should really work well. We could dry roast them if you want.
नहीं, हम रोस्ट नहीं करते, ऐसे ही बनाते हैं.
Okay, she doesn't roast
वैसे
them.
आप चाहो तो रोस्ट भी कर सकते, पर हम ऐसे ही बनाते हैं.
Okay, so we will just follow her recipe and not roast it.
इसमें हमने 10 ग्राम जीरा लिया है.
So that's 10 grams of whole cumin seeds.
And 10 ग्राम काली मिर्च.
So 10 grams of black pepper.
और 10 ग्राम मोटी इलायची.
And that's 10 grams of black cardamom. You cannot replace it with green cardamom because I know some of you are going to ask, we can't find it. But these two flavors are very different and you can't actually use the green one in this.
और जब भी लेना है तो ये तीनों चीज़ें इक्वल लेनी है. 1, 2, 3 ये तीनों चीज़ें इक्वल लेनी है.
Okay, so that's 10 grams of black pepper, 10 grams of cumin and 10 grams of black cardamom. They should all be the same amount.
तो ये 5-7 लौंग लिए हैं.
So you've got 5 to 6 whole cloves of cloves.
1 stick दालचीनी.
Okay, 1 stick of cinnamon.
1 टुकड़ा जावित्री.
So that is a little piece of maize. Now maize is the cover of nutmeg. It's like the shell of nutmeg.
और 1/4 nutmeg.
Only 1/4 piece of nutmeg. So that's all the spices that are going to, look at how lovely these spices are. And that's all the spices that's going to go into the mixer. I've got a little coffee grinder, but you can use a spice mixer or whatever you have at home. Wow, I have to say that smells amazing. तो आपके यहाँ पे घर में you make it in small batches?
हाँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके पीस लेती हूँ इसी में.
फिर how do you store it then?
इसको फिर एयर टाइट बॉटल में भर के आप रख दीजिए.
Okay. And then how long will it last? Okay, so she's saying airtight bottle, you can store it in a dark place, but how long will it last?
कोई खराब नहीं होता.
For how long?
इतने साल भी पड़ा रहे, 2 साल 3 साल.
Really? Years?
ना.
So she's saying it won't get ruined for 2 to 3 years. Well, I can tell you that. I will give that a go. And here is the quick, easiest way to make your own garam masala. It smells so nice. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it in my curry today. What I want to know from you guys is try and make this use it in the recipes, and tell me if the food tastes better after you've used this homemade one, or does it taste as good as when you use shop bought one. So I would absolutely love to know your feedback. Leave us comments, and I do try and answer to all of them. Please, I love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's thank my mom for sharing her secret garam masala recipe. Yes. And I will see you back next week. Bye.
Okay, bye.